In this video, I'm going to show you how to view insider transactions with Finviz. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Insider tab up top over here in the middle. And then from here, you can see you have three options. You have latest insider trading, you have top insider trading recent week, and then you have top 10% owner trading recent week. So you can go to whichever tab you want. I'm going to go with the default one, which is latest insider trading. Now, from here, as you can see, there's a lot of things you can see. You can see the ticker, the owner, the relationship, date, transaction, and the cost as well. And of course, the amount of shares, the dollar value, and then the shares total, okay? Now, last but not least, you have the SEC Form 4, which if you click on it, it's going to take you to SEC's website, where of course you can see this Form 4 for that specific transaction. Now, you can of course also go and hover over specific details over here to see more info, and whenever you get like an underline below something, you can go and click on there for more info as well, okay? So that's going to be possible for a few of these things over here. So that's how to view it, and then you can filter it here in the top right. By default, it's all transactions, but you can also filter between only buy transactions and only sell transactions as well, okay? So that's how to essentially view insider transactions with Finviz. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.